To check your iPhone internet speed, go to a browser. In browser, search for internet speed test, search for it, and as the search results here you get lots of websites. You can use any of them to check your iPhone internet speed. So the best option is you can use Google Fiber. So this is official website, so you can check your iPhone internet speed. Just open fiverr.google.com. Once you are in this website, just tap on go, and this will start to test your iPhone download speed first of all. So wait until download speed loads up. So this is my iPhone download speed, and then we can see my upload speed is counting. And this is my iPhone download speed, and this is my iPhone upload speed. And here you can also see your ping, jitter. So that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.